Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm here with another hands tutorial slash video, whatever you want to call this. It's basically a first person video. So today, you know what I'm going to be doing. Silicone eyeball, and I'm going to be cutting it just like that. So, yeah, I tried with a knife, I tried with a screwdriver, I tried with everything except for scissors. And so today I'm gonna try with scissors. I don't know why I said today, it's actually just the same day. So, if you know, silicone is actually the same thing they use to make the Lokai watch. I mean, Lokai bracelet, not yokai watch. It sounds so much similar. So these are actually like hard. This is really soft. You can see the difference. So yeah, maybe this is silicone, maybe this is rubber. We don't know, but I'm gonna be cutting it. And before I start, and you guys say this is a clickbait video, it's not, because this is an actual silicone eyeball. I just peeled off the thing, the eyeball part, and I had two of them. The other one actually had the picture, so I wanted to show it to you guys. And girls, no discrimination. So, yeah. This has like detail and stuff, if you can see right there. So we're gonna be cutting it open in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna try to use the top first, and as you can see, it will not work. But if you take a quick look, you can see the holes that I made for the other punctures from the scissors, from the knife and the knife and the screwdriver. I'm really trying to just get it in there, but it seems it won't work, so I'm gonna try the back. Oh, I saw it slice a little. Oop. It's going too much to one side. So, I'm trying to cut this. As you can see, you can see all the things that I've been trying. Oh, we got a slice, and if you can see inside, it's basically the same thing, but it looks like cheese. Looks tasty. I think from here I'll be able to rip it apart with my hands, and I'm wrong. But as you can see, there's a very different, it's very different looking inside than it is on the outside. And I think I'll just keep slicing. So yeah. If you really make the first cut with these, then the rest should be easy. And we've cut it. This, I thought it would be hollow, but I also thought it would be solid at the beginning. But then after we got the first slice, I started having second thoughts about that and thought it was actually solid. So now I actually want to see if, never mind, I did it like couple tries later. Never mind, it's still scrambled-ish. I was trying to piece it together, but as you can see, this is what's inside of a silicone ball. Like and subscribe.